If you've ever wondered how to increase the volume of your semen, you're not alone. This is a topic that sparks a lot of curiosity, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. We'll dive into how the body produces semen, what can cause a decrease in volume, and of course, what you can do to improve it. Stick around until the end, because I'll share some practical tips that can boost not only your sexual health, but also your overall well-being. Let's get started. Semen is made up of several components. Everyone knows it contains sperm, right? But what many don't realize is that only 5% of the total volume of semen is actually sperm. That's right, just a small part. The majority of semen is made up of other fluids produced by glands like the prostate and seminal vesicles, which together account for about 60 to 70% of the total volume. These fluids help nourish and transport the sperm, giving them the mobility they need for ejaculation. So, if you're concerned about semen volume, keep in mind that it doesn't necessarily mean the sperm aren't functioning properly. There are many other factors that impact the production of semen. Have you noticed that some people have a more intense ejaculation, while others experience a weaker one? This is related to the muscles around the urethra, known as the bulbocavernosus muscles. These muscles rhythmically contract during ejaculation, helping to expel the semen. If these muscles are stronger, the ejaculation will be more intense. But if this is something that worries you, a study with women found that, for the most part, the volume or intensity of ejaculation doesn't really affect their sexual pleasure. What matters most is that both partners feel satisfied with the experience. As we age, it's natural to see a decrease in semen volume. Younger men, particularly those in their 30s, usually produce more. However, as we get older, this production tends to drop. This can happen for several reasons: diet, lifestyle, such as smoking, and even health issues that affect hormones. Additionally, semen volume can vary from day to day. Things like hydration, stress levels, and medication use all play a role in how much is produced. However, if you notice a sudden and persistent drop in volume, it's important to pay attention. There could be issues like obstructions in the ducts that carry semen or low testosterone levels. In such cases, it's crucial to consult a specialist. Now, let's talk about what you can do to increase your semen volume. There are a few simple yet effective changes that can help. The first is to quit smoking. We all know smoking is one of the biggest health risks, causing cancer, heart disease, and respiratory problems. But did you know it can also affect semen production? Smoking damages nerve function and can reduce the secretions responsible for producing semen. So, if you want to improve your sexual health, quitting smoking is a great first step. The second tip is to stay well hydrated. Your body needs fluids to produce a good amount of semen. If you're dehydrated, your semen volume will likely be lower. A simple way to check if you're hydrated enough is by looking at the color of your urine. If it's light yellow, you're good to go. Staying hydrated is essential for ensuring your body has what it needs to produce the ideal amount of semen. The third tip is doing Kegel exercises. And yes, they're not just for women. Kegel exercises can be extremely beneficial for men as well, because they help strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, including those that control ejaculation. With stronger muscles, ejaculation can be more efficient, which helps release more semen. But keep in mind, these exercises are especially useful if you don't have issues like urinary incontinence or erectile dysfunction. Now, for the most powerful tip of all, ejaculating less frequently. That's right. The more time you wait between ejaculations, the greater the semen volume will be. Studies have shown that for each day you abstain from ejaculating, the semen volume increases by about 10%. And if you wait 3 or 4 days, the increase can be even higher. This happens because giving your body more time to recharge allows it to produce a larger volume. These are some simple tips that can make a big difference in your semen volume. Remember that every body reacts differently, so what works for one person might not be the best for another. If you notice a significant change in volume or experience other concerning symptoms, it's always a good idea to consult a specialist to get to the bottom of it. And if you're looking for natural and effective solutions to improve your health and boost your sexual performance, click the link below to discover options that could make a real difference for you. Take care of yourself because you deserve it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share it with anyone you think might be interested in the topic, and subscribe to the channel for more content on health and well-being. See you next time.